Handog ng Viva Films ngayong darating na Valentine's Day ang kilig overload movie, Wattpad's Girlfriend for Hire. Bueno manong handog dito ang love team ni Andre Paras at Yasi Pesman. Girlfriend for Hire? Anong ganap? Mula sa best-selling Wattpad novel ni Yum Yum 28, narito na ang pinakabagong kilig overload movie starring Andre Paras at Yasi Pesman.
Dito kami ngayon sa first taping day at sobrang excited ang lahat ng tao dito. Pero fun naman kasi friends naman na rin lahat nagkasama na sa Dayong ng Pangit, sa Back in Your Dead. So, very excited kami ni Andre.
Ito rin ang directorial debut ng award-winning movie editor na si Vanessa De Leon.
This is my first experience sa isang production dahil editing ang background ko. Para sa isang baguhang katulad ko, ang saya ng production.
Mula ito sa screenplay ng veteran scriptwriter na si Jose Javier Reyes na siya rin nag-direct ng isa sa MMFF top grosser na My Baby Love, ang kilig debut movie ng Tambalang Aldab.
We had to squeeze yung story para kumasya sa isang 1:40 na movie, pero sa magandang panulat naman ni Direk Joey Reyes, he was able to make a beautiful script out of the Wattpad. Although the Girlfriend for Hire Wattpad story was already very beautiful from the very start.
Siguradong ito na ang perfect Valentine movie for the young and young at heart.
Oh, you guys should watch this movie because it's going to be super fun and epic, and I know it has a lot of reads in Wattpad also, and of course, we're going to do this because it's for you guys.
Saka ngayon lang ulit nagsama ang Yandere. Ito rin yung launching movie namin.
Please watch out for Girlfriend for Hire, starring Yasi Pressman and Andre Paras, coming soon from Viva Films.
Yasi Pressman and Andre Paras.
Ready ka na? Make sure i-control mo ang sarili mo. Huwag mo ipagyabang yung kabaduyan mo.
Pasensya na po kayo, sir, ha? Kasi hindi po kami, alam nyo na, kasing yaman nyo, kamahalan.
Hindi ba obvious?
Girlfriend for Hire.
Chongo?
Jologs.
Coming very soon.
Abangan ang unang pagpapakilig ng tambalang Yandre ni Yasi Pesman at Andre Paras sa Wattpad's Girlfriend for Hire, malapit na ipalabas.